Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So 17 days of construction have been over for my basement, and I'm gonna show you the progress for 17 days. It should have been yesterday itself, but yesterday night I couldn't make the video because they left very late and other things. So I'm gonna show you now. So as you see, that drywall wall work has further progressed. If you remember, there was a gap here, so they filled that gap, and they have also, I don't know what it's called, I think it's called ceiling, or I don't know what it is. Here is duct, pot light spots here too. There also, that's something else. That's gonna be fire alarm, pot light. Coming here, now the major progress I see in this area. So this is, next to this is my bedroom that's going to be constructed. So dry walls have been applied here also. Now after this place is ready and cleaned, there going to be kitchen setup over here, sink, uh, refrigerator, then range. This one was stove, electric stove. Panel upgrade is already scheduled, and even my washroom, they have sealed everything. Okay, fine. Here also they have applied this ceiling all the way up. Here also all the way down. Here also definitely they're gonna do something more here. Here also they have done, this side also. Now let me take you inside this area. Okay, of course this mess needs to be cleaned. So much mess here. Even ingress window is sealed. Other things have been sealed as well. Okay, I don't know what this is. It's heavy. No idea what it is, but let it be like that. Panel upgrade is scheduled, and this is going to be the door to the electric panel. And as of now, it's full of mess because of construction. So the only way we can come here is with putting your heavy shoes on. Otherwise there could be accidents, because all the floor is filled with debris, nails, wooden particles, as you can see. So yesterday they left. They said, the team that was here said they won't come today. Instead some other team will come. So let's see who comes. Of course that's not in my hand, and I'm no one to question about that. It's upon the contractor to send whichever team they want. That's important. Coming to this place, like as I said, still we are waiting for the part to come. Once the part comes, this will be changed, a part will be changed, and the door is gonna come here also. And yeah, ceiling here also, as you can see. Here also, here, or door also. Perfect. So a lot of good things have been done yesterday. And oh, one fire alarm here also. Is it fire alarm or what? Maybe. Wow. Okay guys, so a lot of good things I see here. And even some pump is working fine, because as you see, no water is accumulated. There are some stickers, so that's why some water is there, because sticker is not alarm, but the quantity is less. But you see those holes, there's no water accumulation, because whatever water falls here comes to some pump, and through some pump goes up. So that's how it goes, guys. So thanks for watching this video, guys. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.